Hi, I'm Andrea from ViewSonic, and I am here with the ViewSonic Pro8200 home entertainment projector, perfect for any living room or family room. Movie fans and gamers alike will really appreciate this amazing full 1080p HD picture on this professional-grade widescreen projector. The Pro8200 combines state-of-the-art DLP and brilliant color technology to give you 2,000 lumens of brightness and a 4,000:1 contrast ratio. That means a picture that really comes to life with vivid colors and a crisp image ideal for any environment. The integrated high-performance 10-bit video processor ensures excellent performance for action-packed videos and gaming. Dual HDMI inputs make it easy to connect to both your Blu-ray player and gaming console, so there's no switching out cables and back. Plus, HDMI delivers flawless high-def audio and video. You'll also get component, S-video, and composite inputs for maximum flexibility. All ViewSonic projectors are backed by one of the best warranties in the business, so you can buy with confidence. Upgrade your home entertainment with the Pro8200 today.